Magnesium glycinate is a highly absorbable form of magnesium in which the mineral is bound to glycine, an amino acid famous for its ability to calm the brain and nervous system. This particular combination makes it gentler on the stomach and more effective at reaching the cells that need it most. In the last few years, it has surged in popularity as more people wake up to a startling reality: up to 68% of adults are not getting enough magnesium. And that kind of deficiency does not just leave you feeling a bit tired, it can quietly undermine your sleep quality, throw off your blood pressure, destabilize your mood, worsen anxiety, and even place extra stress on your heart. That is exactly why in this video, we break down 6 powerful science-backed benefits of magnesium glycinate that you simply cannot afford to ignore, along with 3 serious mistakes people often make when supplementing. These are mistakes that can reduce its effectiveness, or in some cases actually put your health at risk if you are not careful. Magnesium is not just another item on a supplement shelf. It is a foundational mineral that your body depends on every single day to keep muscles, nerves, heart rhythm, and hundreds of biochemical reactions running the way they should. 5 benefits of magnesium glycinate you should not ignore. 1. Supports heart rhythm and cardiovascular health. Magnesium glycinate also shines when it comes to protecting your heart, even though this benefit often does not get the attention it deserves. Magnesium is deeply involved in keeping your heartbeat stable by helping regulate the electrical impulses that coordinate each contraction of the heart muscle. When your body is short on magnesium, those electrical signals can become disrupted, leading to skipped beats, fluttering sensations, or more serious rhythm problems known as arrhythmias. Studies, including a 2018 paper published in the journal Open Heart, point to magnesium's role in lowering the risk of heart rhythm disturbances and promoting overall cardiovascular well-being. Its calming influence on the nervous system and its ability to help reduce blood pressure also takes strain off your arteries, kidneys, and other key organs while lowering inflammation and supporting long-term heart function. Put simply, magnesium glycinate is a heart-friendly form of this mineral that helps your entire circulatory system operate more smoothly and lowers the chances of dangerous rhythm issues developing over time. 2. Eases muscle cramps and tension. Chances are you have dealt with those nagging, sometimes sharp muscle spasms at night, in the middle of a workout, or even after sitting in one position for too long. What often goes unnoticed is that these cramps can be a clear signal that your body is running low on magnesium. This mineral is fundamental for helping muscles relax. It does this by balancing calcium, the mineral that triggers muscle contraction, and supporting the process that allows the muscle fibers to release and lengthen again afterward. When magnesium levels are inadequate, muscles are far more likely to stay tight, twitch, or lock up in painful cramps. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that taking magnesium can lower both how often leg cramps occur and how intense they are, especially in older adults and pregnant women, 2 populations that are particularly prone to deficiency. Whether you struggle with stiff shoulders, restless legs that keep you up at night, or lingering soreness after exercise, magnesium glycinate can support your muscles in finally letting go, recovering more fully, and functioning at a higher level without that constant sense of tightness and discomfort. 3. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Most people link magnesium glycinate with deeper sleep and a healthier heart, but far fewer recognize how critical it is for keeping blood sugar in check. Magnesium is involved in the process that makes your cells more responsive to insulin, so your body can move glucose out of the bloodstream and into your cells where it is used for energy. When magnesium levels are low, this response becomes sluggish, insulin cannot do its job properly, and blood sugar begins to climb, paving the way for insulin resistance and eventually type 2 diabetes. Research published in the World Journal of Diabetes in 2016 showed that individuals with deficient magnesium levels had a much higher risk of developing diabetes, and that supplementing with magnesium helped improve insulin resistance in many participants. Magnesium glycinate is especially valuable here because it is both highly bioavailable and easy on the digestive system, making it one of the most effective forms for rebuilding healthy magnesium status without causing stomach upset. By promoting steadier blood sugar, magnesium glycinate does more than just lower your diabetes risk. It helps protect you from energy crashes, daytime fatigue, mental fog, and the long-term damage that elevated glucose inflicts on your kidneys, nerves, and cardiovascular system. 4. Reduces anxiety and calms the nervous system. Another major advantage of magnesium glycinate is its powerful ability to quiet the mind and ease anxiety. Among the different forms of magnesium, this one stands out for its specific impact on the stress response and emotional balance. Magnesium plays a central role in regulating the HPA axis, the system in your brain and body that governs how you react to stress. By supporting this pathway, it helps bring down elevated cortisol, tones down excitatory brain chemicals such as glutamate, and enhances the activity of GABA, the neurotransmitter most closely linked with feelings of calm, safety, relaxation. The attached glycine amplifies these effects by gently relaxing both the brain and the muscles without making you feel sedated, which is especially valuable for those dealing with chronic stress, recurring panic episodes, or persistent nervous tension throughout the day. Research consistently shows that low magnesium levels are closely connected with higher anxiety and a greater risk of mood disturbances. A 2017 review published in Nutritional Neuroscience reported that magnesium supplementation led to significant improvements in anxiety symptoms across both mild and more severe cases, reinforcing how essential this mineral is for mental health. When anxiety begins to ease, multiple systems in the body start to function more smoothly. Heart rate becomes steadier, blood pressure naturally comes down, digestion often works better, and sleep quality improves. Together, these changes support healthier organ function, help lower inflammation, and may reduce the long-term risk of depression and cardiovascular disease. For anyone who feels like stress and anxiety are in control of their life, magnesium glycinate can act as a gentle but effective reset for the nervous system, offering a calmer baseline from which the body and mind can recover. Compared with many other forms of magnesium, it delivers these calming benefits with excellent absorption and fewer side effects, making it one of the best choices for long-term support. 5. Restorative sleep. Magnesium glycinate is widely considered one of the most effective natural tools for improving sleep quality, and not just helping you drift off, but guiding you into the kind of slow healing sleep that allows your body and brain to reset. It helps by boosting the activity of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter that quiets excess nervous system activity so you can fall asleep more easily, stay asleep through the night, and wake up feeling truly rested instead of drained. The glycine in the compound further encourages relaxation and gently lowers core body temperature, two key elements your body needs in order to enter and maintain high-quality sleep. This matters far more than just feeling less tired. Research shows that when you chronically miss out on restorative sleep, your life expectancy can drop, and your risk of heart disease, kidney problems, obesity, and even conditions like Alzheimer's climbs significantly. In contrast, when you sleep deeply, your body shifts into intensive repair mode. Heart rate becomes more steady, blood pressure naturally declines, and your kidneys are able to clear waste products more effectively. At the same time, crucial hormones such as melatonin and growth hormone are released, helping to repair tissues, fine-tune metabolism, and calm inflammation throughout the body. So magnesium glycinate is not simply a sleep aid. By helping you reach deeper stages of sleep more consistently, it supports longevity, speeds up recovery, and allows every system in your body to perform closer to its best. If you found this helpful, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel, because we will be breaking down more everyday supplements that many people use the wrong way and sharing essential guidance to help you take them safely and effectively. Now let us look at the 3 major mistakes people make with magnesium glycinate. 1. Not understanding elemental magnesium. Many people have never really been taught what elemental magnesium means, and even those who have heard the term often do not realize how little true magnesium is hiding inside some of the best-selling products. Take one of the top magnesium supplements on Amazon as an example. The label proudly advertises 400 milligrams of magnesium, but when you look closely, it actually delivers less than 80 milligrams of elemental magnesium. That is the real, usable magnesium your body can work with, and in this case, it is far too low to create meaningful change. With such a tiny dose, you are unlikely to get the benefits you are hoping for. It will not be enough to properly support heart health, help keep blood pressure in a healthy range, improve sleep quality, balance blood sugar, or provide most of the powerful advantages we discussed earlier. In other words, if you ignore the elemental magnesium content, you may be throwing money away and missing out on what magnesium glycinate can truly do for your body. So every time you are about to purchase a magnesium supplement, take a moment to check the label for elemental magnesium per capsule. Aim for at least 100 milligrams of elemental magnesium in each one. That way, if your goal is to reach 200 milligrams, you can simply take 2 capsules and be confident that you are getting a dose that actually has the potential to make a difference. 2. Taking too much at once. A second major mistake people often make with magnesium glycinate is swallowing a large amount in a single dose. Even though magnesium is crucial for health, your body can only handle and absorb a limited amount at one time. When you overload it, the excess tends to stay in the gut, which can trigger diarrhea, nausea, and stomach discomfort, essentially canceling out many of the benefits you were hoping to gain. A much wiser strategy is to divide your intake throughout the day. For example, you might take one portion in the morning and another in the evening. This approach allows your body to absorb magnesium more effectively, helps keep your levels steadier over the course of the day, and greatly reduces the chance of upsetting your digestive system. By spreading your dose, you give yourself the best chance to enjoy the full range of benefits: better sleep, a calmer nervous system, smoother muscle function, and improved heart and blood sugar support without the unwanted side effects. 3. Buying magnesium that is loaded with fillers. The third big mistake people make is choosing magnesium supplements that are stuffed with unnecessary fillers and additives. These extra ingredients are not just useless, some of them may actually work against your health goals. Common fillers like cornstarch, rice starch, and maltodextrin sit very high on the glycemic index and can sharply raise blood sugar levels, directly undermining many of the benefits you want from magnesium, especially for metabolism and blood sugar control. On top of that, certain products include titanium dioxide, a whitening and anti-caking agent, so controversial that it has been banned from foods in the European Union because of long-term safety concerns. There are other problematic additives to be aware of as well, such as magnesium stearate, which may interfere with absorption, and microcrystalline cellulose, a bulking agent with limited long-term safety data in humans. When your magnesium supplement is full of these extras, you are not only diluting the amount of useful magnesium you receive, you are also placing additional avoidable stress on your body. This is especially troubling if your main goals are to protect your heart, soothe an overactive nervous system, or help keep blood sugar more stable. For those reasons, it is essential to look for a high-quality, clean magnesium glycinate supplement that is as free from hidden additives and fillers as possible. That way you can focus on getting the full intended benefits of magnesium safely without unwanted ingredients getting in the way. That wraps up our look at magnesium glycinate. Used the right way, its powerful effects can genuinely upgrade your sleep, support your heart, relax your muscles, and improve your overall health, but all of that depends on taking it correctly and consistently. Always talk with your healthcare provider before adding any new supplement, and make sure you are choosing high-quality, well-formulated options rather than whatever is cheapest on the shelf. If this video gave you clarity or taught you something new, go ahead and like it and subscribe to the channel. We will keep sharing more videos filled with research-based insights on supplements that can help you protect and optimize your health.